we're back here with another week. It is Monday afternoon. And we're just about to run you through another week's worth of content. All right, Daniel.
Content. Yeah, it's a bit brisk outside, and we're a bunch of pansies, so we're in here going through like our disposal and recycling plans at the end of this, because we're not going to make major modifications or too many modifications that would really change our filter setup, which would require special recycling plans. We know our materials and what we'll have. So as far as our prototype and final devices, it's all that one container that we're using. So that's a good reuse of that right there. It already limits our waste. So like excess parts would just be like the excess filter media, and that's all natural materials. So like gravel you could use in some outdoor landscaping or something. The sand, you could use that as like a playpen or something if you got kids, or just straight up use that to mix concrete if you need concrete for whatever reason. Just all those uses. Yeah. Then the plastic container, like could use that as like a planter or something, honestly, if you wanted to reuse that instead of, or recycling. There's always recycling for plastics and stuff. And then as far as donations, we wouldn't have any. The charcoal, you could throw that on your grill, burn that. I don't know, not really sure about that one. It might could be used as like a little fire starter or something. Or gardening, yeah. You could put that in the soil, do some gardening with that along with your gravel. You just make that whole landscape up there. You got the gravel outside, and you plant in your little filter with the charcoal enhanced soil. Yeah, there you go. And then special safety considerations, we don't really have any of that. We don't have any metals or like combustibles. Yeah, nothing like that. And then for our last week, if you saw in our video, that was our initial prototype. We already know what changes we want to make. We want to increase the flow rate out the bottom of that, so that's going to be like adding more holes. And we'll show you pictures of that later this week when we get on that, but that's where we're at.
Yeah, that's where we're at. We'll get back at you next week, and it really looks like we're drawing near the end of this project.
We're really chugging along.
All right, catch you.